How to trim MP3 file on VLC Media Player. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can do that. So first thing you're going to have to do is open up your MP3 file on VLC Media Player. So I have this MP3 file. I'm going to right click on it and open it with VLC Media Player. Now once you open it up, what you need to do next is go to the View option and then click on this Advanced Controls. Now you'll see these four more options. You're going to use them in a while, so let it be. Now the next step is to actually head over to the Tools option. Click on it, and then from here you're going to have to choose a file saving destination. Click on Preferences and go to Input and Codecs. From here, you could choose your record directory or file name. Click on Browse. For now, I'm going to save it to Videos and then click on Select Folder. The next step is to click on the Save option. You could also change the default caching policy for low latency and high latency depending on your choice. Now just go ahead and click on Save. And if you want to trim your video, all you have to do is click on this record option and play the recording. And once the recording is played, just stop wherever you want it to trim and then click on the stop button. Now the recording will be saved to that exact folder. So let's just check right here. Go to our videos folder, and here is the trimmed recording. And that's how you trim your video recording or audio recording on VLC Media Player. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.